Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Shalega back again with another text to read. This text is a poem, and the title of the poem is School Rules. So I was wondering, what school rules do you know? I also had another question. Will the rules in the poem be the same as our rules? I wonder about that. What questions do you have about the poem? Let's read the poem, see if we can answer our questions, and we'll talk about that after we finish the poem. School rules. I don't run in my classroom, I walk. I raise my hand if I want to talk. I put things away and clean up too. The rules at school help me and you. So let's go back to my question. Are the rules in the poem the same as our rules? Did the poem answer any of your questions? Do you have any new questions about school rules? Let's take a look at our poem again. I want to talk about punctuation marks. Those are the marks that you see around or behind the words. This first mark here is called a dash. A dash is when you're reading, you kind of pause, just stop quick for a second, and then you keep going like this. I don't run in my classroom, I walk. So I stop just for a little bit to show the dash. We also have in our poem these dots, which are called the periods. A period is like a stop sign for a sentence. It means the thought is complete. So that means you stop at the end of the sentence. I raise my hand if I want to talk. Stop. I put things away and clean up too. Stop. And then I go to the last sentence, and the last sentence has another kind of punctuation or another kind of stop sign. It's called an exclamation point. It's a line with a dot at the bottom. Does anybody know what that exclamation point is for? It means you're excited or you want to show your excitement in your voice when you read that sentence, like this. The rules at school help me and you. So it shows excitement in a sentence. This time we're going to read it one more time, and I want you to try to read along. Even if you only read the rhyming words, that would be great. If you can read along the whole thing, that's also great. Just do your best. Ready? School rules. I don't run in my classroom. I walk. I raise my hand if I want to talk. I put things away and clean up. 2, the rules at school help me and you. Great reading, boys and girls.